Shandong Rayman CNC Equipment Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of CNC plasma cutting machines, fiber laser cutting machines, fiber laser welding, rebar processing machine, and industrial robots. We are located in Jining City, Shandong Province, the hometown of Confucius and Mencius, and the capital of etiquette with convenient transportation access. We uphold the integrity of the essence of cooperation with customers. Let customers buy products with moderate price and good quality. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our products will be finely processed by CNC Machining Center to ensure the working accuracy of the machine. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, Africa, Europe, America, and Australia. We have distributors in Argentina, Peru, Algeria, Thailand, India, Brazil, Chile, Costa Rica, etc. We have CE and ISO certification. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our products are both industrial grade and household grade. Whether you are in the industrial industry or want to open a studio at home, our products can be customized to meet your requirements. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We can meet your various needs.